friends, my name is Varsha. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Today let's make an art using pistachio shells and CDs. Let's start by cleaning the pistachio shells. For painting the pistachio shells, we can use either acrylic colors or nail polish. Take a nice brush so that the painting will be easy. Hold the pistachio shell with a needle so that it doesn't move around while we paint it. I tried to hold the pistachio shell with a toothpick also, but it was skidding a lot of times. Here I am using both acrylic colors and nail polishes to paint the pistachio shells. Depending on the availability, you can use your favorite color. Paint the shells with the color you want and let them dry. Mom and I painted a lot of colors. Before starting to stick the pistachio shells to the chart paper, let's set it how we want it to look like. Here we have cut the circles and half circles out of CDs. Let's start by sticking the pistachio shell. Apply Fevicol on the pistachio shell and attach it to the chart paper. Now let's attach the CD or mirrors with the help of Fevicol. Wherever we have to stick a lot of pistachio shells, apply Fevicol on the paper itself and stick the pistachio shells on the paper. Here for this flower, we use 2 layers of petals. You can play around with the colors however you like it. I like these colors, so I use them. Here for this flower, we put white dots for the red pistachio shell alternatively. We have sticked all the flowers and this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.